Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. Hey, I'm hyper, don't mind me. So, we are gonna go ahead and do our blah 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 blah. We are gonna do our meal plan for August 3rd through the 9th, 2020. I've already did some writing out because y'all don't need to see me do that. Y'all seen me do that a million times. Which side do I want to start with? I don't know, guys. I don't know. Which side should we start with? Well, either way, let me tell you what we're planning with first while I'm over here trying to decide which side to start with. I didn't even told you what books we're using. We are going to use the Stronger Together book. I just wanted to reach for something that I hadn't used that much, and I've only used this book once, I believe, and that was for the Stronger Together challenge during the whole Black Lives Matter situation. And of course, we're going to use our handwritten plans for some of these headers and whatnots. So, I may pop in watercolor goals just for my dinner plan strip because I don't think, and I may not have anything that even matches that, boy, I need to buy another one of these so bad. Yep, nope. What I was thinking I was gonna use doesn't really match, so, or I guess I could use this yellow. No. Nope, 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 nope. Okay. We just won't have a dinner plans header. How about it? Unless I find some washi, but I'm not about to do that right now either. Anyway, let's start with this side. So, with Sunday, we are definitely going to be going to the grocery store and doing our meal prepping and whatnot. And you guys, I literally only picked out like 7 stickers, and I'm about to do this whole spread off of them 7 stickers. Watch me, boo, watch me. So, I'm gonna go ahead and put our boxes down on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Friday. The trick about this Friday, though, is I may not cook this meal until Saturday, or I may cook it on Wednesday when I cook the other meal, because we will be heading back down to Texas to take my nephew back home since he starts school on the 12th. So there's that. And I wanted to put these stickers down. How are we gonna do this, Becky? Let's do this. Let's put that one there. And then we'll put this one down here. And then we'll put this one here. Voila! We did that side. This plan is not going to take long at all. That's one thing I do love about my meal plan. Because it's so functional, it's not a lot that I have to do to it. So, let's see. I need to get out. You would think I would have these pages. Okay. I'm going to put the grocery sticker right there. And then I may put list right there. Because I need my breakfast and lunch. We'll put our breakfast options and our lunch. You mean all this was in the beginning of the book and I just did all that for what? Jeez Louise, Becky. I know there's a home sticker in here somewhere because I used it before. Oh, I cut it from Come Home. Ooh. So I'll just put list. For the household, but I don't really think that there's anything that I really need for the house, so we're just gonna leave that like that. Now, as for our decor, you hear when I say decor, you gotta say it like that, decor. Let me stop. I am going to use this page out of the Stronger Together because since this is technically my nephew's last week here, you know, we're going to try to do something fun. I'm thinking maybe the ZOO, you know, just because. So, y'all know I always have a quote to go down here. So this is Sunshine and Happy Times. So let's get some girls down on their floaties. Put her right there. This is me, y'all. Every time we go to like the pool or the beach, I'll be the first one. Uh-oh. She done stuck herself down and I ain't even get a chance to. Jeez Louise, Becky. Okay. Move her further down. And we're going to take Home Skillet Biscuit right here. There she go. And then Homegirl with her shades. She kicking it down there. Her over there. That's the only thing. They all repeat. So you gotta. I like. I'm thinking that'll be it. Let me trim these pieces and see if we can place them somewhere else. Okay. So what'd you do with the scissors? Okay, let me do it this way. Okay. So we got our homegirls down there. That's alright. I guess that'll do. There isn't anything that I can put there. That's low-key kind of bothering me. I can put that only wake me up for brunch there, but it's not really a dinner sticker, you know? So that's the truth. The days are long, but the years are short. You're right about that. Some days seem longer than others. Like yesterday seemed like a long day at work, yeah. Yep, we're just gonna leave that alone, and I'll just use, well, I actually can do this here. That's the wrong cap. Right? Because that mile liner is, now what is my Paper Mate Flare? Voila, Becky. How can you? I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. I'm gonna have to cut in here because it's no sense in punching this. But I'll probably have to cut right here for that hole. But other than that, here is my meal plan for, August 3rd through the 9th. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will catch you in another video. Remember to live your life Lexquisitely, one plan at a time. Bye now.